Hey guys, I just bought the Gundam 0000 version, so it's unboxing time. So I take it. So this is some versions. Sorry for my mobile camera, it's not clear. Okay, here you have it's for the shoes. They have some post, simple. We have two frames here. Yeah, it's quite small, smaller than A4 paper. This one, let me check. Is a certification of the materials beautiful. This model. We have the small illustrations, I think. You see, this is what will be great, and this is the steps. Quite simple, I think. Yeah, this is a display. So you think here you can have just four, I think 4 pages. So it's quite simple. So I think it won't take you more than 1 hour to build it. So that's it.